Hello everyone, welcome to Ivan Tech. Today I'm going to be showing you all the steps and all the tricks to increase on your PC or your computer's speed. So be keen and watch this video to the end as I'm going to be showing you all the tricks. So without wasting time, go and search for Task Manager. You can see it's here. Search for it in Windows. So when you come to the app, you go to Start App. Now when you come here, you can look at the programs that are running. So you disable those that you don't want, but remember to disable those that you don't need at the time. But you can leave the Windows security notification and then any graphics windows. But then if like you have the PDNet PC which has been enabled, and if you don't want it, you right click and disable it from here. Then you come and disable. Then from there, go to processes. And when you come to processes here, you can see Task Manager here, and then you can see the background processes. So you can as well end tasks of those processes that you don't want, such that you can increase on your PC speed, such that you can improve its speed. But remember, don't end the tasks of Windows. So this is how you end a task. Like for example, Groove Music is running in background and I want to end the task. So you just click on it and then you end the task from here. So after doing those two processes, you come here and look for the Run app. It's right here. Now when you come here, so you come here and you type temp. It's right here. Then you press OK. Well, a lot of you are quite familiar with that. Then you can delete all these junk files. You highlight them all. You can see there are very many. After that, you delete. Do this for all current items. Then you skip. So after that, you come back again to the Run app. It's right here. This time you type %temp, then you also type percentage at the end. It's %temp %, then you come to OK. You can see they're here. So you click on any, then you press Ctrl A so that you highlight all of them, and then you delete. It's going to delete all the junk. So you can see it's deleting all the junk files. That will increase on the PC speed. So it's done. Again, you come to the Run. Look for the Run app again. And now we're going to type something different here. So you type inet cpl.cpl, and then you type OK. Now when you come here, you'll see security, privacy, and a lot of things up here in this line. But then if your browser is slow, like wherever you got your browser, let's say Chrome or Explorer, and it's really slow, you come to these connections here, and then you go to LAN settings. It's here. Now when you come to LAN settings, you have to make sure the automatically detect settings is on, but then all these need to be off. Make sure only this has to be checked, only this is on. The rest you leave them the way they are here, and then you press OK. So after that, you go to advanced. After that, you come to reset. Then you check this delete personal settings, you turn it on, and then you reset from here. Then you can close. So after doing that, you come back again to the Run app. You type Run in the Windows app. It's right here. Remember, if you're new to this channel or it's your first time here, remember to subscribe so that you don't miss out whenever we drop any new video. So this time, you're going to type in PREFETCH PREFETCH, then you click on OK. Then you can highlight all this because it's just junk. They are filling up space for nothing. They're all junk files and we have to get rid of them. Majority of you could only be knowing the temp process, but then there are also other junks, and I'm showing you all the steps of how you can get rid of them. So you press Ctrl A to highlight all of them, then you delete. Do this for all current files. You can skip, and then the process is complete. So those ones were the ways, those ways I've shown you are the ways you can use to get rid of any junk files in your PC and then increase the speed of your PC. So if you have problems with your PC, like if you have viruses in them and you feel they're making the PC run slow, much as there are Windows antiviruses, once you update the PC, those antiviruses update themselves and get rid of those viruses. But then in case you feel the virus is embedded and it's not going, I prefer you go to your web browser and you look for Malwarebytes. You can go to Google or any browser of your choice and look for malware. And you enter. You just have to click on this first option here, Malware Cybersecurity for Home and Business. You tap on it. So when you come here, you can go to free download. You download it, and then after downloading, you can use it to get rid of any viruses or any malware or any suspicious activities or any worms in the PC. you can install it and use it to get rid of all the viruses and malwares in the PC. Then after installing it and getting rid of all the viruses, you can come and type add or remove programs from the Windows here. Add or remove programs, and then you delete it after it, helping you to get rid of all the viruses and any other malware in the PC. Or you could as well come and search for this. It's called Super Anti-Spyware. This one has millions of people using it. It's right here. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're enjoying it. It's here. You can download the free version. Download the free version and then install it. Get rid of all the viruses and malwares. It's here. Start Pro X free trial. You can download it, install it, and then use it to get rid. And then you can use it to get rid of all the viruses and malware or suspicious activities in your PC. So after doing all those steps I have shown you, you can come and then you restart your PC. Come and restart your PC and see the magic. You'll see the PC increasing the speed, or your laptop will as well also increase the speed, and the browsing will be very fast. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up such that others can also watch